Hey everyone, couple of things. First thing, I have a video coming out tonight about this truck getting branded. And also, we will be attending some upcoming truck shows. July 9th through the 11th, we'll be at the Truckers Jamboree, Wallcot, Iowa, world's largest truck stop. July 25th and 26th, we'll be in Houston, Texas for the Texas Truck Show. That's held at the NRG Center. These will be our first truck shows ever. We're really looking forward to meeting everyone. Can't wait to see you there.